Welcome to this video on Lean Manufacturing and OEE Mastery, where we explore driving operational excellence and competitive advantage through the Toyota production system. In today's volatile industrial landscape, success depends on eliminating waste and maximizing equipment potential. This video addresses key challenges like rising costs, production bottlenecks, and inconsistent quality, helping you convert these obstacles into bottom-line profits. Our core learning outcomes focus on mastering value stream mapping, optimizing OEE metrics, fostering a Kaizen culture of continuous improvement, and utilizing SMED techniques to increase operational flexibility. This training is designed for production managers, CI engineers, and operations leaders across the pharmaceutical, automotive, and FMCG sectors who are seeking advanced tools for plant-wide optimization and improved ROI. Our detailed curriculum covers 4 essential modules: Lean Foundations, Value Stream Mapping, OEE and Reliability, and Kaizen Implementation. Each module is structured to shift your organization from mass production toward greater efficiency. We look at real-world success stories, including Toyota Motor Corporation, the birthplace of the Toyota production system, and examine how SMED impacts can reduce downtime by up to 65% in high-speed environments. The video includes experiential, hands-on learning components, such as practicing Gemba walks to identify real-time waste, participating in VSM workshops, and performing detailed OEE calculations to analyze equipment efficiency. By applying these methods, businesses can achieve tangible benefits, including significant gains in productivity, reduction in cost drains, improved quality yields, and long-term operational excellence. We focus on key performance indicators with world-class goals like reaching 85% OEE performance. The core OEE formula, availability times performance times quality, is central to our monitoring strategy. Participants will receive a suite of templates and deliverables, including an OEE tracking dashboard, a Kaizen roadmap, a VSM icon toolkit, and a Lean Manufacturing Mastery certificate, supported by a 30-day implementation plan. What makes our approach different is our commitment to Genshi Genbutsu principles. We move beyond the conference room, treating the factory floor as the primary source of truth for measurable and sustainable improvements.